is our team Maverick, me and Ramya. We are going to present the topic elements of cost from managerial accounting. First of all, we should know the importance of cost data. Why we should categorize cost in different types. For that, we should know the importance of cost data. To prepare external financial reports. External financial reports like income statement and balance sheet. To prepare those statements, we require historical data. By using the historical data only, we can prepare financial statements like income statement and balance sheet. And to prepare planning budgets. Depending on performance, depending on historical data, managers will prepare planning budgets. For that, we require cost data. And to make decisions. By knowing this financial report, we can analyze the performance of the company. For that, we need cost data. In cost, we have manufacturing cost and non-manufacturing cost. Here, manufacturing costs are divided into three types: direct materials, direct labor, and factory overhead. Factory overhead can also be termed as manufacturing overhead and factory burden also. And coming to direct materials we can call direct materials as raw materials also. Raw materials are involved in production process. Without raw materials, we cannot start production process. Direct materials like for furniture, raw material is timber, and for shirt making, raw material is cotton. And coming to direct labor, the labor who are physically convinced, those are called direct labor. Direct labor can also be termed as touch labor because they can touch the product during the production process. Coming to factory overhead, in factory overhead we have indirect materials and indirect labor, and indirect expenses are also included in factory overhead. Examples of factory overhead are depreciation, property taxes and insurance. All those come under factory overhead. In fact, factory overhead, indirect materials. These indirect materials are not easily measured. They are not easily identified. Those materials are indirect material. Example for indirect material is thread for shirt making. And coming to indirect labor, the people who do not involve in production process, but they help to increase production process. They help for production process, like supervisors, inspectors, and cleaners are come under indirect labor. And this direct materials and direct labor, some of the direct material and direct labor is called as prime cost. Prime cost is the principal cost. First, we have to incur cost in direct materials and direct labor. Then only we can start the production process. And some of the direct labor, indirect materials, indirect labor, and other fixed and variable overhead is termed as conversion cost. Conversion cost is we incur cost to convert raw materials into finished goods. So for that, we need direct labor, indirect materials, indirect labor also. For that purpose, we term as direct labor, indirect material, indirect labor as conversion cost. It will be continued by Ramya.
Thank you, Hasana. Here, non-manufacturing cost. Non-manufacturing cost, also termed as period cost. It is divided into two types: selling expenses and administrative expenses. First, we have to discuss about selling expenses. Selling expenses are if you spend some amount on the product. Examples of the selling expenses: marketing expenses, sales personnel salaries and commission expenses. And selling expenses are also order fulfill and order getting cost. And next, administrative expenses. Of the administrative expenses: office personnel salaries and office suppliers, office depreciation. And other examples of the other administrative costs are general accounting and public relations, etc. And manufacturing costs and selling costs not included in the administrative cost, which are management of the organization is called administrative expenses. And the cost will be divided into two types: period cost and the product cost. Manufacturing these two, and based on the accrual concept, the cost can be explained. The cost is explained cost is explained these two, and matching principle is the cost recognized when the revenue is recognized, the expenses will be recognized. That is a matching concept.